Okay, in this quick video, I want to take a look at graphing exponential functions. First thing I want you to see that when we read these graphs from left to right, okay, you can see this one here from left to right, it's traveling up, okay? So this is positive. So we call this a growth, okay? This is an exponential growth, okay? Then on this graph to the right, again, if we look from left to right, it's going downhill or it's traveling down. So we call this decay, okay? So that's the difference in growth and decay. Now, that is actually determined by this number here, the 2, because this number is greater than or equal to 1, okay, then we have a growth. You'll see in this one that it is a decimal, okay, of 0.5. So it's greater than 0, but it's less than 1. Again, it's a decimal or maybe a fraction. And that's what's actually going to create this decay here, okay? Let me also show you this diagram here. I graphed some examples in the Desmos graphing calculator. So this first one is y equals 2 times 2 to the x power and then plus 2. And that's this one here in red, okay? And it's a growth. Remember, when this number is greater than 1, then it's going to be a growth. And then this one in purple here, again, is this 0.5. So it is traveling downhill, and this is a decay. What I also want you to see in these graphs, and if this was a live Desmos document, we could draw our cursor and we could see what is the value every time of y, and it's coming down and down. But you see on this purple line that even though it looks like it crosses here where y is equal to 2, it actually never does, okay? It never crosses that, and I'll be able to show you that in the live session. But it never intersects that where y equals 2, and that's actually called our horizontal asymptote, okay? Notice where it says plus 2 here and plus 2 here, okay? This is where these graphs will never intersect down here, okay? This is horizontal asymptote at y equals 2, so we could write that in. It's actually an equation, say it's a horizontal line. So we've learned that horizontal lines are equations of y equals, and this one happens to be y equals 2. And it's for both of them, okay? And again, it's called a horizontal asymptote, and you'll see that in the lesson as well. So it's a couple things you need to understand. The growth and decay, and then the line or the graph, the horizontal line where the graph will never intersect here. It's called our asymptote, and this one is y equals 2. All right.